Guys, in front of me is Samsung Galaxy A04e and let me show you how to change wallpaper. So first of all, you have to open the settings. Then find and select wallpaper and style. Mark change wallpapers. Give this device a couple of seconds as it needs to load the wallpapers, and now you can either choose one from featured wallpaper, something from your gallery, color wallpaper, dynamic lock screen. Let me apply dynamic lock screen at first. Let's pick docs. Okay, so as you can see, it is applied. Let's go back. And now let's choose something for home screen, for example, this one. Tap on next. Mark done. And that's it. So as you can see, from now on, this brand new wallpaper is covering home screen and lock screen. On lock screen, you've got this dynamic wallpaper with docs. Obviously, you could choose any other. So that's it. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.